Today started bright and early, no snoozing alarms here. The sun was smiling down on us as we headed straight to our poultry farm, ready to kickstart the day. First things first, cleaning. We scrubbed the cages, swept the compound, and made sure everything was fresh and neat. You know what they say, clean home, happy chicken. With everything spick and span, it was time for breakfast. Our Kienyeji chickens were already clucking impatiently, waiting for their feast. We served their regular feed, but here at our farm, we like to mix things up. To cut down on costs and keep our birds healthy, we always supplement their diet with fresh goodies from our shamba. So off we went, armed with baskets and a mission, to fetch some juicy tomatoes. The shamba was thriving, and after picking the ripest ones, we rushed back to surprise our feathered friends. And let me tell you, the chickens went crazy, pecking, flapping, and feasting like they were at a buffet. The tomatoes didn't last a minute. Watching them enjoy their treat was so satisfying. A happy chicken is a productive chicken, and with this kind of diet, our Kienyeji birds are always thriving. That's it for today. Farming, fun, and a little chicken drama. Until next time, keep it local, keep it fresh, and as always, support Kienyeji farming.